Do you love avocados? Are you sure you're eating them right? Now, if there's one thing we can all agree on, it's that avocados have taken the culinary world by storm. These green gems are not only delicious but also packed with a myriad of health benefits. They've become a staple in kitchens around the globe, gracing everything from salads and sandwiches to smoothies and even desserts. But despite their widespread popularity, you might be surprised to learn that there are common mistakes people make when eating avocados. Yes, even with something as simple as an avocado, there's a right way and a wrong way to enjoy it. So, are you ready to discover if you've been partaking in these avocado faux pas? Buckle up, because we're about to delve into the world of avocados like never before. Stay tuned as we unravel the 5 common errors you're probably making while eating avocados. The first error that most people make is not washing the avocado. Now, this might seem like a minor oversight, but it's actually quite significant. Why, you ask? Well, avocados, like any other fruit or vegetable, can carry bacteria and pesticides on their surface. When you slice open an unwashed avocado, the knife can transfer these unwanted substances from the skin to the delicious, creamy flesh inside. It's not just about health either. Washing avocados can also enhance their taste. You see, residues of pesticides or other substances can subtly affect the flavor of the fruit. By washing, you ensure that you're tasting pure, unadulterated avocado goodness. So, what's the best way to wash an avocado? It's simple. You don't need any fancy fruit washes or solutions. Just plain, clean running water will do the trick. Hold the avocado under the water and use your hands or a soft brush to gently scrub the surface. Pay special attention to the area around the stem, as this is where bacteria and dirt can often accumulate. Once you're done, pat the avocado dry with a clean towel. It's crucial to dry the fruit thoroughly, as wetness can promote the growth of bacteria and fungus. Now, your avocado is ready to be cut, mashed, or sliced and added to your favorite dishes. Of course, it's also worth mentioning that buying organic avocados can help reduce the amount of pesticides you're exposed to. However, even organic fruits should be washed before eating. Organic farming does use pesticides, albeit natural ones, and these can still linger on the skin of the fruit. So, there you have it. Washing your avocado may seem like a small step, but it can make a big difference in terms of both health and taste. It's a simple habit to develop, yet one that can add to your overall avocado enjoyment. So remember, always wash your avocados before you cut into them. You'll be doing your taste buds and your health a huge favor. The second error is throwing away the seed. This common mistake can be a significant loss to your health. The avocado seed, or pit, is a treasure trove of nutritional benefits that many of us are completely unaware of. The avocado seed contains a high concentration of antioxidants, even greater than the flesh. Antioxidants are vital for our body as they fight against free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and lowering our risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. The seed also packs a punch when it comes to fiber. It's a well-known fact that fiber aids digestion, keeps us feeling full, and is beneficial for weight management. But did you know that a large portion of an avocado's fiber content is in the seed? Yes, that's right. That seed you've been tossing away could have been helping you reach your daily fiber intake. Now let's talk about how to prepare the seed for consumption. It's not as simple as just biting into it like an apple. The seed is quite hard and can be bitter, but with the right preparation, it can be added to your diet in a tasty and nutritious way. First, after removing the seed from the avocado, rinse it off and let it dry. Once it's dry, you can cut it into quarters using a sharp knife. Be careful during this step as the seed can be slippery. Once it's cut, you can use a grater or a blender to pulverize it into a powder. This powder can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, or even your morning coffee for an antioxidant and fiber boost. Remember, the key to reaping the full benefits of the avocado seed is consistency. Incorporating it into your diet on a regular basis can have a significant impact on your health. So the next time you're about to toss that avocado seed into the trash, remember the nutritional goldmine you're throwing away. It's a small change, but it could make a big difference in your diet and your health. Next time, think twice before tossing that seed away. The third error is eating only the flesh of the avocado. This might come as a surprise to many, but the green goodness of an avocado extends beyond the light green, creamy flesh that we so love to scoop out with a spoon. When you slice open an avocado, you'll notice that the flesh near the skin is a darker green. This part of the avocado is frequently overlooked and discarded, but it's actually packed with valuable nutrients. In fact, the concentration of beneficial compounds, such as carotenoids, is significantly higher in this outermost layer of the avocado flesh. Carotenoids, if you aren't aware, are a class of phytonutrients that have been linked to numerous health benefits. These include supporting eye health, boosting the immune system, and even reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. And that's not all. The darker green flesh near the avocado skin is also rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. So, how do you ensure you get every bit of this nutrient-rich darker green flesh? The answer is simple. Peel your avocado, don't scoop it. By peeling the skin off the avocado, you can retain the dark green flesh that's closest to the skin, maximizing the nutritional value of your avocado. One way to do this is to cut your avocado lengthwise around the seed and twist the halves apart. Remove the seed and then cut each half lengthwise again. You should now have 4 long sections of avocado. Starting at the top, you can peel the skin away from each section, ensuring you get all the darker green flesh. Remember, every part of the avocado that you can consume contributes to your overall health and wellness. So next time you're preparing an avocado, think twice before you leave out the darker green flesh near the skin. Don't miss out on the extra nutrients in the darker green flesh. Make the most of your avocados and let them work their magic in nourishing your body. The 4th error is consuming too much avocado at once. Now, before you go all out on your avocado binge, let's put the brakes on for a moment. Avocados, despite their health benefits, are high in calories. A medium-sized avocado boasts approximately 240 calories, most of which come from healthy monounsaturated fats. But remember, even good fats can add up. Let's put it into perspective. Eating 2 medium-sized avocados a day, every day, could mean consuming nearly an additional 500 calories daily. Over the course of a week, that's an extra 3,500 calories. A calorie surplus of this magnitude could lead to a weight gain of about 1 pound per week. So, what's the recommended serving size? Most nutritionists agree that 1/3 to 1/2 of a medium-sized avocado is sufficient for 1 serving. This means you get to enjoy all the nutrients and healthy fats that avocados offer without overdoing it on the calorie front. So the next time you're preparing your avocado toast or adding avocados to your salad, remember to keep your portions in check. It's easy to get carried away with this delicious superfood, but as with all things, balance is vital. And when it comes to avocados, less can indeed be more. Remember, moderation is key. The 5th and final error is storing cut avocados incorrectly. Storing avocados can be a bit of a pickle, especially when they're already cut open. You see, when avocados are exposed to air, they begin to oxidize. This oxidation process causes the avocado to turn brown and lose its freshness. But don't fret, there are several ways to store cut avocados properly and maintain their freshness. First, you can squeeze a bit of lemon or lime juice on the cut surface of the avocado. The citric acid in these fruits slows down the oxidation process. Then, wrap the cut avocado tightly in cling wrap, making sure there's minimal air trapped inside. Second, you can store the cut avocado in an airtight container with a piece of cut onion. The sulfur compounds in the onion prevent the avocado from browning. Just make sure to separate the avocado and onion with a piece of cling wrap or a divider. Third, you can submerge the cut avocado in water. This method may sound strange, but it works. The water creates a barrier between the avocado and the air, preventing oxidation. However, this method is best for avocados that will be used in smoothies or guacamole, as it can slightly alter the texture. Remember, these storage methods work best when the avocado is used within a day or 2. So plan your avocado consumption wisely. Proper storage ensures you get to enjoy your avocado at its best. Let's quickly recap the common avocado eating errors we've discussed. First off, washing the avocado is crucial. It's not just the inside that matters, but the outside too, as harmful bacteria can easily transfer from the skin to the flesh. Next, never toss away the seed. It's packed with antioxidants and can be used in various ways, from smoothies to homemade skincare products. Thirdly, don't limit yourself to the flesh. The dark green layer near the skin is where most of the nutrients are concentrated. Fourthly, moderation is key. Even though avocados are a superfood, consuming too much can lead to excessive calorie intake. Lastly, storing cut avocados correctly is vital to maintain their freshness and nutritional value. Using airtight containers and lemon juice can help prevent oxidation. Remember, it's not just about eating avocados, but eating them right. Until next time, stay healthy.